Hi everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railfan here, and today I just recently got back from the Great Train Show, which was at the Overland Park Convention Center in Kansas. It was a lot of fun, and I got to see all kinds of model trains that they had for sale, and basically all the operating layouts from like G scale, HO, and all that. Majority of them were like N scales, So right here, I have a few things I just purchased from the Great Train Show I'd like to share with you guys. First off is this Pan Am boxcar, 50 foot. Now I know I don't model the Pan Am because you know, Pan Am operates like around the Boston area mostly, and I really love the Pan Am because I just couldn't resist getting this freight car because I love the paint job on this boxcar, and I also love the Pan Am being one of my favorite Class 2 railroads. And so this is a really nice car. I think I've seen one in person when I was at Kansas City one time. But that was like a couple years ago, but so it's a really nice car. And I was actually really glad I was able to get it because these Pan Am boxcars are super hard to find. So I got my hands on one. Moving on, I have an Atlas Trainman 4740 hopper. This is in the Burlington Northern scheme with, like, you know, the letters and the large logo. It's absolutely really nice because I can never seem to find one of these by Atlas, and I was actually glad I actually got one. And these are actually some of the hard to find freight rolling stock, and I was so glad I actually got one. It looks actually very stunning, and I really love the BN hoppers, and I'm glad I got one of these. So it's two. And the third and last car I got is the CSX 50-foot gondola. It's basically a coil loading gondola, but it didn't come with coil loads. It just came with these little like supports where you just basically load the coils into the gondola itself. And it's very nicely detailed, and I really think it's pretty good. And I could definitely add these to some of the mixed braids, or basically unit coil trains, but basically for mixed braids, because, you know, so I can like run them on some, like, I'm probably on the BNSF trains, because, you know, the HGAO, the KCK usually has those coil cars or gondolas with coil loads and stuff. And so I thought it was pretty good. So basically, let's recap. Got the Pan Am boxcar, Burlington Northern hopper, and the CSX gondola. And now we're going to move on to my favorite thing I bought, which is right here. So right here I have is a Atlas C40-8 locomotive. This is in the CSX YN3B scheme. It's absolutely really stunning locomotive, because like the new ones they have, like, because I remember like older ones, you have to install the front and back hand rails yourself, but they have it installed for you. But the packaging is like basically where the locomotive is screwed underneath the packaging, so you need a screwdriver to unscrew the locomotive out. It's got some pretty good detail, I must say. You know, everything. And I plan on doing a review video of this, but that's going to be in a separate video. So after all, I think this is actually pretty much a really nice haul, and I'm really glad I got the CSX locomotive, because basically I can add some more foreign power to the layout, because I really love CSX, and I love the paint schemes and locomotives. So yeah, so basically that's all that I've got at the train show. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave you guys run-bys with all my new rolling stock and the Dash 8 in action. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.